Uro super. Saka mskara nje ndiye problem ya test.
There you go. Good.
Why do I think I'm offline?
Network is really bad.
Is the network here bad?
Are you using Wi-Fi?
No, I'm using my network.
Yeah, it's bad.
But I think you need to change your settings.
Okay, so how do I get onto the Wi-Fi?
Why don't you use LTE, bro?
How do I do that?
It's just use your normal data.
That's what I'm trying to
But
do.
it's bad here. Like it's really slow. Yeah, it is.
Okay, can anyone see what's happening?
I think you should change from.
No, I'm out. I'm offline. Won't show me nothing.
I can't see you. Your LTE is firing, homie. Have you got data?
I can buy some more for
Buy some more data.
the sake of it.
You still on in here?
No,
Yeah.
no, what?
Is it live?
Yeah, like,
Have you checked the privacy settings?
Yeah, change your settings. Change your settings.
If I can get on it.
I'll tell you.
Okay. This is not good, whatever that is. What's your thing's name?
It's not just iPhone.
It's not showing either. Okay.
Why the lights going in and out?
Mageza unge tinashe todd. Ndizvo. Pane yana tinashe todd. Is that the one? Yana tinashe todd. All right, it is the one. There you go. More, okay.
Can I get some sound check, please, brother?
Okay, sound check. Are we live?
Yeah.
Okay, sound check. If you can hear me, please press the like button. Like button if you can hear the sound of my voice. We just need to do a sound check, guys. Edit privacy, public. Okay. All right, sound check. If you can hear the sound of my voice, please press the like button if you can hear the sound of my voice. Sound of my voice if you can, like button if you can hear the sound of my voice. Like button if you can hear the sound of my voice. Let me know where you're watching from so we can say hello. Let us know where you're watching from so we can say hello. Like button if you can hear the sound of my voice. Okay, I've got good likes. Right, hearts button if you can see our visuals just fine. We haven't actually started, we're just getting ourselves ready. Hearts button if you can see us, hearts button if you can see us. How are you looking, Kuda, over there?
Looking good, sir.
Okay, got a couple of hearts. I think they can see us. I've fixed the privacy settings. It's open to everybody now. Okay, so I think let's close for start now. Let's shut screen for.
Shut screen to start?
Yeah.
Read some people, talk to some people, whatever.
Okay.
I'll tell you when we're ready to go.
All right. Let me hide some people. I got Sitabilos watching from the UK. I've got Tatenda from Gweru, Munguni from Bulawayo, Doni from Harare, Diana from London. Let me know where you guys are watching from tonight. Who else we got? I've got South Africa. Shepherd is in East London. Tino Mambeo just tuned in. What's up? Ukraine. Fish is watching from Ukraine. Okay. Tino is in Joburg, obviously. Okay, guys, remember you can share if you can. Let others know we are watching. We haven't started yet. We're just getting some technical things out of the way. We'll be off the ground in less than 3 minutes.
Now looking at the camera, can you have a look close with the camera so I can get my things correct?
Okay.
Which one will you like us?
Oh, you need the mic? Okay. Yeah, let me give a shout out to our sponsors. Let me give a shout out to FastJet. Shouts out to FastJet. Shouts out to Nyaradzo. Shouts out to Dial Delivery. Shouts out to Fresh in a Box. Shouts out to Makeup by Gamu. Shouts out to Begotten Son. Is it good? Okay. Okay, I've killed my eyes, so now I can see what's taking place now. Yeah, so close me out and let's go to start.
So starting 5 minutes from start, 2 minutes?
Yeah, well, I mean, are we good to go?
Give me a sec.
Okay. Manchester Novella. Okay, watching from where? From Tikrit, Iraq. Mazimbabwe rananga isvagewo. Uzakuti dzimwe nzvimbo dzinospawa nemazimbabwe ndika. Ndosakapita zodzoka kubusha. Unenge wasvika uchite kutirikitiko. Afghanistan. Okay. Just waiting for the tech team to get ready, guys, and we'll be off the road. How are we looking, team? Okay. What's the matter? Okay, team. What are we saying?
Trying to move the files from one computer to the other. So give us 1 second.
They're trying to move the files from one. God knows. I can't believe what's happening right now, actually, but